James, Jake, gotta go. Okay, good to go.
Clean again. So what's included in this room is actually this table with 4 chairs. They have electric fan, and then they have the ceiling fan. They have the cooler. They have a 2-burner stove. Let's see what's inside. Here, there's more gas there, and then there's lamp. And then the stove, but we didn't use that. So dust pan and broom. They have the trash can here. There you go. And you can cook outside here. They have a table. This is how it looks like outside. Your parking is supposed to be there, you see. It says YURT parking only. Where you park. And then this is the restroom or the bathhouse, but we just want to go here so it's easier to go inside the car, in and out. Yeah, but this is another RV camping area. So there you go. If you're coming from here, the lake is just right there, so you'll have a nice view. And then you have picnic table here and a griller there, and you can do bonfire there. There you go. It's nice here. I'm here at Lake Catherine. So during summer you can actually bring this up, and there's a net, like a mosquito net inside. Then you can eat here if you want. You can bring your own thing to cover this, so it will be cleaner. And you can actually cook there. Put the stove outside, don't cook inside. And you can go around. This is what you can see here. This is your backyard in a way. There you go. So you still have like a sitting area here if you want. And I can see that there's a faucet here. We tried getting some water, but there's nothing. I think it's frozen because it's so cold still. So there you go. They're still fixing this bathhouse. They said that it's under construction, so we need to go to that restroom. It's just near, so but we still want to use our car because it's so cold. So there you go. So this is our first YURT camping experience, and we really loved it. It's so comfortable inside, with those thick mattresses. It's really comfortable. Anyways, I need to say goodbye. We still need to go to the restroom. We need to brush and clean up, brush our teeth and clean up before we go. Bye, YURT. We love you, YURT. See you in October or sooner. Still more early there.
Can we just all go to the women's, or just all gonna purchase our tea? Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to the ladies' restroom. Welcome, welcome.
Get your wins where you can. When you Lego. Oyster Stadium. Not only do they have the largest oyster house in captivity, it also does tricks.
That's the other cabin. Yeah. Oh. Wanna go? So go.
Okay. Let's see. Ecclesiastes 12, chapter 12, verse 13. Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God, keep His commandments, for this is man's all. God will bring every work into judgment, including every secret thing, whether good or evil.
Fear God.
How do we show Jesus that we love Him?
Keep His commandments.
Keep His commandments.
We fear God.
You're supposed to also. You guys did Matthew 28, 19 to 20. Therefore, go into all nations, making disciples of all nations, baptizing them, and teach them to observe all my commandments. Let's pray, God. Thank you for today.
Bye. Till we see each other again later.
Kasi nasa sa rides na busy driveway. Tapos,
And then not too many people go to the back.
Next year. See, this is our spot here.
Hey, no yurt. Bayard! Horse stable, oh. May horse stable dito. Next time, try din natin yung horse. Yeah, I think during summer lang yung horse stable.
You can bring your dog.
Ay, bring water kasi we might. Why? What's up?
Walk for wildlife. I want to see a three-toed box turtle or an armadillo.
Fossils, plants, or animals.
The weather is so nice today.
Look,
What's up?
please leave
Guys.
all rocks undisturbed.
Why?
Don't disturb the rocks. Don't disturb the rocks.
You're
Look,
disturbing the
please
rocks.
leave all rocks undisturbed. And Ryan's
can
like,
observe.
and Ryan's trying to move the rock.
You can observe them to gain a deeper sense
To
of
gain
place in the
deeper sense
Washita
of a place,
Mountains.
but removing, defacing, or destroying any rocks, fossils, plants is harmful to everyone.
Or animals is harmful to everyone. And illegal. Hala, you're gonna go to jail. It's illegal.
Well, I think I can do it.
Si Joshua nandiyan dyan. Worried na yata si Dan that he's not gonna survive. And then he saw Joshua. This is his second round now. Hey Josh. Can't understand.
Pots are burning, pots are burning. Let's go nearer.
It's like you're giving it away.
That's what I know. Instead of them breaking it, you know, there's a key, so it's not. They're not gonna mess up your car if ever you got it back. That's I know. Smart way to do it. That's why we leave the doors unlocked so they don't break the doors. And when we get in, the doors are not broken because they're gonna steal it anyways.
Konting taste na lang. We're getting there. Lapit na tayo.
Pots are burning. Pots are burning. Let's go nearer.
I can't hold the camera anymore. I'm so tired. Ooh. We made it. I gave my water to Daddy. Tired.